A dust jacket is the paper cover that wraps around the outside of a book and folds inside the boards. It is usually printed and may have illustrations. It protects the book's cover and spine from wear and light. The coverboard of a book is the simple cover, not yet covered with cloth or leather. The spine is the surface of a book that usually faces outward when a book sits on a shelf. The header cap is the topmost part of the book spine. The bottom cap is the base of the book spine. The crease is the groove in a book's outside case that runs head to tail, front and back. There are two of them. The tube is the open space between a book spine and the backs of the signatures. A signature is made of 4 or multiples of 4 pages folded from a single sheet of paper and stitched together. The contents of a book are all the signatures found inside. The end paper is a folded sheet of paper, one half of which is glued to the inside front or back cover of the book. The other leaf extends freely and serves as the first or last page of the book and is called a flyleaf. The flyleaf meets the end paper at the inside of the creases. The hinges of a book are the joints between a book's cover and contents. The spine inlay is a strip of paper glued to the inside of a book's spine to provide extra strength. It is found underneath the spine. The super paste cloth is a piece of meshed material that gives extra support by attaching to the signatures and the coverboard. Paper lining is the paper used for lining the backs of the signature on books. A super is the thin, loosely woven, open mesh cotton fabric that forms the hinge between the cover and the pages of a book. It is found on top of the super paste cloth. The casing is the entire cover or case of a book that protects the contents. Stitching is the thread holding a signature together. This style is typical of older books in circulation and is commonly called a library binding. However, newer books are perfect bound and held together with glued bindings.